Welcome to Project 1, Pushbutton-Controlled LED. In this video, we will cover the electrical installations needed to build this circuit using an Arduino. The core concept involves switches. When you press the button, the circuit completes and the LED turns on. When you release the button, the circuit breaks and the LED turns off. To build the circuit, we will need several components: an Arduino, jumper wires, a breadboard, an LED, a 10K ohm resistor, a 4-pin momentary push-button switch, and a 220 ohm resistor. Step 1. Place the push button. Insert the 4-pin push button into the breadboard so that the pins cross the center gap. Step 2. Wire the push button. Connect pin A to the 10K ohm resistor, the resistor to Arduino pin 2 and the GND rail. Connect pin B to the plus 5 volts rail. Step 3. Wire the LED. Place the LED in the breadboard. Connect the long positive leg to Arduino pin 13 using the 220 ohm resistor. Connect the short negative leg to the GND rail. Hardware needs instructions. The code logic for this project is contained in a sketch that you upload to the Arduino. Phase 1 is setup. The code assigns the push button to pin 2 as an input and the LED to pin 13 as an output. Phase 2. Loop. Button pressed. The Arduino runs a continuous loop. If the button state at pin 2 is high, the Arduino sends a high signal to pin 13, and the LED turns on. Phase 2. Loop. Button released. If the button state is not high, the Arduino sends a low W signal to pin 13, and the LED turns off. The complete system involves the user creating the physical action, the Arduino processing the digital logic, and the hardware creating the final output.